In this section I'm going to see how to use the view side-by-side feature and also how to use the zoom view. So firstly, the side-by-side feature. If you click on the View tab here, within the Windows section here, you've got this option to view side-by-side. So if I click on that, look what happens when I scroll down in the top one. The bottom one also scrolls. So this is a great way of comparing sort of two similar but slightly different documents. So as you can see, the values here are different. So if I scroll down, as you can see, they both scroll. Same if I go to the second one here, where I scroll up and down here, I can immediately see the differences in the other document. So that's how you use a side-by-side feature. Very useful for comparing similar but slightly different documents. Something else that's very useful is the zoom feature. So I've got a document here which you can read the first couple of lines, but then get smaller and smaller and smaller. So you need a way of zooming in, and there's lots of easy ways of doing this. Probably the easiest is down the bottom here. You've got this little zoom control, so I can drag this way or that way to zoom in and out. And as you see, basically you can zoom to 400% there, in which case everything's readable. Or you can put it back the way you were, like so. The other thing you do is, at the moment it's set to a zoom level of 87%. If I double click on that number, it opens up the little zoom control, so I can just click here to say let's look at 200%, it'll look like that. If I go back here and double click or single click there and then click on the OK for 100%, it'll look like that. And again, if you want to, you can, for instance, click on other options like 75, 50, 25%, or fit selection, in which case it looked like that, in which case everything's easy to read. So I say those are your two controls. So you can zoom in and out here, you can click here and then set whatever you want. You can of course click on custom and type in a number there. So if you wanted 230 for sake of argument, you could click there and then you get a zoom level of 230. So a useful feature.